Hello guys and welcome to our channel Fact Sisters. You all must have heard humans going to space. But have you all heard animals going to space? Yes. Animals have gone to space, and that too before humans. And about 2000 animals have already gone to space. Interesting, isn't it? So, in our today's video, we are going to give you a review of a few animals who have visited space. Stay tuned throughout the video and let's begin with our today's video titled Were Animals Ever Sent to Space?
The first animals sent into space were fruit flies aboard a US launched V2 rocket on 20th February 1947 from White Sands Missile Range, New Mexico. The purpose of the experiment was to explore the effects of radiation exposure at high altitudes. The rocket reached 68 miles in 3 minutes and 10 seconds, passed both the US Air Force 50 mile and the International 100-kilometer definitions of the boundary of space. The Blossom capsule was ejected and successfully deployed its parachute. The fruit flies were recovered alive.
Albert II was the normal monkey in the US. He was from the rhesus macaque breed. Albert II was chosen for the space mission. He was smart and fast learner and passed all the tests for the space flight. On June 14, 1949, Albert II was launched into the space. He was launched inside a V2 rocket. Everything went as planned in the beginning. His rocket reached a height of 134 kilometers. And Albert II became the first mammal to reach space. After spending few minutes in the space, his capsule returned back to the Earth. While re-entering the Earth's atmosphere, his capsule's parachute system failed, and Albert II died from the ground impact.
On 31st August 1950, the US launched a mouse into space aboard a V2, but the rocket disintegrated because the parachute system failed. The US launched several other mice in the 1950s.
Laika was a normal street dog in Russia, chosen to be sent in space. The aim was to find out how long a dog can survive in zero gravity. 3rd November 1957, Russians launched Laika into space inside a spacecraft named Sputnik 2. It was a suicide mission for Laika because there was no way to bring her back to the Earth. For the first few hours, everything went normal, but then the cooling system failed. Laika had nowhere to go but to wait till death. Within few minutes, Laika died because of overheating. 162 days after launch, Sputnik re-entered Earth's atmosphere and burned up in re-entry along with Laika. Her remains were never found. There was a statue made in the memory of Laika.
On 3rd November 1957, the second ever orbiting spacecraft carried the first animal into orbit. The dog Laika launched aboard the Soviet Sputnik 2 spacecraft. Laika died during the flight as was intended because the technology to return from orbit had not yet been developed. At least 10 other dogs were launched into orbit and numerous others on suborbital flights before the historic date of 12th April 1961 when Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space.
Ham was a normal chimpanzee purchased by the US Air Force at the age of 2. They trained him for simple tasks. He was smart and fast learner compared to others. So they decided to launch him in space. In 1961, Ham was launched into space. His rocket reached 252 kilometers height. After 16 minutes, Ham's rocket returned back to the Earth He landed in the Atlantic Ocean and survived the flight. After the mission, Ham lived all alone in a zoo for the next 17 years.
Felicette was a normal street cat purchased by France government for their space mission. Electrodes were attached directly to her brain to study neurological activity during flight. In 1963, France launched Felicette into space. Her flight reached 157 kilometers height, and she became the first cat to enter space. Soon after her capsule returned back to Earth, she landed safely on Earth and survived the flight. But her condition was not good. Also, scientists wanted to perform necropsy. So 2 months later, they killed her humanly and examined the effects of flight on her brain.
The first animals in deep space, the first to circle the moon, and the first 2 tortoises in space were launched on Zond 5 on 14 September 1968 by the Soviet Union. The Horsfield's tortoises were sent on a circumlunar voyage to the moon along with the vine flies, mealworms, and other biological specimens. These were the first inhabitants of the Earth to travel around the moon. The capsule overshot its terrestrial landing site but was successfully recovered at sea on 21st September. The animals survived but suffered some weight loss.
In September 2007, during the European Space Agency's Photon Entry mission, tardigrades, also known as water bears, were able to survive 10 days of exposure to open space with only their natural protection. On the same mission, a number of cockroaches were carried inside a sealed container, and at least one of the females conceived during the mission. After they returned to Earth, the one named Nadezhda became the first Earth creature to produce young ones that had been conceived in space.
What was the breed of Albert II? What was the aim for scientists to send Laika in space? What was the name of the first Earth creature to produce young ones that had been conceived in space? Write your answers in the comment section.
Thank you for watching.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.